Imagine a world where Apple completely dominates the budget computer market. A world where cheap Windows laptops and sluggish Chromebooks become a thing of the past because a new, affordable giant has entered the room. Sound crazy, right? Well, it might happen much sooner than you think. Welcome back to Educational Hub. Today we have some absolutely mind-blowing news that could change the entire PC industry forever. If you watched our last video, you already know about the massive, overwhelming success of the MacBook Neo. That laptop sold out incredibly fast everywhere. You practically cannot find it in physical Apple stores in many countries right now. Even if you try to order it online today, the estimated delivery is pushed all the way back to late April or early May. It is a phenomenal hit that took the tech world by storm. Apple really surprised everyone with this move. They delivered a highly capable, modern laptop at a truly incredible price point. The build quality alone is amazing for the price. It features a premium aluminum body, and you can still smoothly open the lid with just one single finger. It is powered by the highly efficient A18 Pro chip, basically an iPhone brain inside a laptop body, and it handles everyday tasks flawlessly. It competes perfectly with Windows laptops in that same budget price range. The CEO of Asus even publicly called the MacBook Neo a true surprise, which is huge coming from a major competitor. Apple realized that a massive group of users just need a reliable machine for daily work and school, without paying the premium price of a MacBook Pro. Because of this massive success, rumors are swirling that Apple is getting ready to drop another huge bomb on the tech world. They want to bring this exact same winning formula to the desktop market. Before we dive into this new secret weapon, we need to talk about what is happening with the standard Mac Mini right now. We have some important updates regarding the upcoming M5 and M5 Pro chips. As of now, only a select few devices in the Apple lineup feature the new M5 architecture. We have seen it in the iPad Pro, the Apple Vision Pro, the latest MacBook Air, and the high-end MacBook Pros. The beloved Mac Mini is finally next in line to get this powerful upgrade. The performance jump is going to be incredibly significant. According to recent reports, the M5 Mac Mini will deliver a 14 to 22% faster CPU performance compared to the older generation. Even more impressively, it will boast a massive 45% better GPU performance than the M4 chip. That is a crazy improvement for such a small desktop computer. However, this power comes with a slight catch. The price is rumored to go up. The current starting price for a Mac Mini is $599. Industry insiders say this base price will jump by $100. This means the new M5 Mac Mini will likely start at $699, and the M5 Pro versions will be even more expensive. When is this happening? All signs currently point to WWDC 2026. This is the Worldwide Developers Conference, a massive event where Apple shows off their latest software innovations. They will reveal the newest versions of iOS, macOS, watchOS, and visionOS. But WWDC is also famous for major hardware reveals. So you should definitely mark your calendars for June because the M5 Mac Mini is almost certainly launching there. Now let's get back to the really exciting part. The M5 Mac Mini sounds great, but it is moving up in price. What about the budget desktop market? This is where the rumors get absolutely wild. Top analysts are predicting the release of a brand new product inspired directly by the MacBook Neo. People are calling it the Mac Neo or the Mac Mini Neo. For the sake of simplicity, let us just call it the Mac Neo. This device is expected to be a desktop version of the incredibly popular budget laptop, and is making Windows PC manufacturers sweat. Why are they so nervous? It all comes down to the price tag. The MacBook Neo shook the market at $599, but a desktop computer can be manufactured for much less. A potential Mac Neo could cost anywhere between $299 and $399. Yes, you heard that right. You could potentially buy a brand new Apple desktop computer for around $300. How can Apple possibly sell it for that cheap? It is actually simple math. A desktop computer does not have a screen. It does not need a built-in lithium battery. There is no hinge, no trackpad, and no keyboard attached to it. You just plug it into the wall and connect your own accessories. This cuts manufacturing and material costs massively. Apple could easily put the A18 Pro or even the upcoming A19 Pro chip inside this tiny box. These Apple silicon chips are extremely power efficient. They hardly use any electricity at all. Compared to a massive gaming PC that sounds like a jet engine taking off when under load, a Mac Neo would run completely silent and perfectly cool. If Apple actually releases a $300 Mac Neo, it will be a fatal blow to cheap Windows PCs. Right now, the entry-level market is completely dominated by budget Windows machines and Chromebooks. Let's be honest, most of these devices are terrible. They sacrifice almost all performance just to keep the price low. You buy a cheap Chromebook, and 2 months later, the battery drains instantly and the whole system starts lagging. People are tired of wasting money on disposable technology. A Mac Neo would offer legendary Apple build quality, amazing longevity, and smooth macOS performance, all for the exact same price as a plastic, sluggish Chromebook. The primary target audience for this device is clearly the education sector. Students and schools constantly need cheap, reliable computers for classrooms and homework. Right now, they buy Chromebooks by the millions. Apple desperately wants to change that and win back the classroom. They have done this successfully before. Remember when they launched the entry-level iPad? It was marketed perfectly for students and became a massive hit in schools. The MacBook Neo is doing the exact same thing right now. It is the perfect first laptop for middle school, high school, and college students. But a Mac Neo desktop makes even more sense for permanent computer labs. Imagine a school replacing a room full of ancient, slow Windows towers with tiny, lightning-fast Mac Neos. Speaking of hardware design, rumors strongly suggest that the Mac Neo will feature a colorful aesthetic. The MacBook Neo launched with a variety of vibrant, fun colors to separate it from the serious, silver MacBook Pros. We expect the Mac Neo to follow this exact same trend. We might finally see a bright green Mac desktop. For years and years, the Mac Mini has always been plain silver. Giving it a fresh coat of paint like green, blue, or yellow makes it fun and highly appealing to younger users. Another huge advantage of this form factor is its extreme portability. These mini desktops are incredibly small. They are roughly the size of a small kitchen Tupperware container. This makes them surprisingly easy to travel with. You can simply unplug the Mac Neo from your monitor at home, toss it into your everyday backpack, and take it to the office or a friend's house. Just plug it into a screen there, and your entire digital life is instantly ready to go. It is a completely different world from the old days. Many of us remember the absolute nightmare of carrying massive, heavy PC towers in the back of a car, or even on a motorcycle just to get them fixed. Now you get incredible, reliable computing power in a tiny box that weighs almost nothing. Even the older M4 Mac Mini can easily handle heavy video editing and gaming. People are successfully playing demanding games like Cyberpunk on these tiny machines without any stuttering. Imagine getting a fraction of that amazing capability for only $300. It truly is a dream come true for budget-conscious buyers and students everywhere. In my absolute best opinion, Apple desperately needs to make the Mac Neo a reality. The recent launch of the MacBook Neo proved beyond a shadow of a doubt that people want affordable Apple products. The consumer demand is clearly there and waiting. A $300 Mac desktop would easily sell millions of units worldwide. It would bring an entirely new generation of users into the Apple ecosystem. People who could never afford to buy a premium Mac before would finally get the chance to experience macOS. It is simply the smartest business move Apple could make right now to capture the lower end of the market. I really hope we see this colorful, affordable device announced very soon. It would completely disrupt the tech industry and force competitors to finally make better budget computers. But what do you guys think about all of this? Would you buy a Mac Neo for $300? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.